NASA's moon rocket inched its way towards the launch pad, so slowly that only with a time-lapse could you see it move. Within weeks, it will speed to 24,000 miles an hour, taking astronauts on a loop around the moon for the first time in more than 50 years, and further from Earth than any humans have been before.
Astronauts are the calmest people on launch day. And I think we do that, it feels that way because we're just so ready to fulfill the mission that we came here to do, that we've trained to do. We are so ready to just give back.
Let's take a closer look. The Space Launch System, or SLS, is 98 metres high. That's slightly taller than Big Ben, and it's the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built. There are two main sections or stages. The core stage takes up much of the rocket. Inside are the vast fuel tanks, 2 million litres of hydrogen, 750,000 litres of oxygen, frozen so cold that the gases become a liquid. When they're mixed and ignited with a spark, the chemical reaction produces vast amounts of steam that's forced out of the engine nozzles at 10,000 miles an hour, propelling the rocket skywards. Clamped to the core stage are the two boosters. Just one provides the same thrust as 14 jumbo jets, and together they provide 75% of the power in the first 2 minutes of the flight. Then they fall away. In just 8 minutes, the rocket reaches orbit and the upper stage containing the crew capsule separates and travels on. The Orion capsule, called Integrity on this mission, carries 4 astronauts. The capsule's livable space is the size of a camper van, but has everything the crew need to eat, sleep and even exercise for up to 21 days. It is cosy.
Space scientists hope the mission will inspire a new generation.
I wanted to have a career in the space sector because I learned about those Apollo missions, and they were ancient history to me when I was a child. And so finally, to be seeing that happening, to see that first step, to see the rocket that is going to take astronauts back to the moon, I can't stop grinning. I'm really excited to see this.
This will be the first time the rocket and capsule have carried humans.
2, 1, boosters in ignition.
An uncrewed test flight 3 years ago revealed critical flaws that NASA says have been fixed. But there's plenty of jeopardy, not just for the astronauts, but America's ambitions of beating China back to the surface. It's a tight space race, and a successful launch as early as February the 6th will put the US in the lead. Thomas Moore, Sky News.